Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Nikita Lad. I'm a Chief IVF Consultant at Apollo Fertility in Navi Mumbai. Today, I'm going to talk to you all on fertility myths, what we hear every day in our OPD when we see patients. First, most common nowadays we see with low AMH. So people say, oh, 0.5 AMH, will I ever get pregnant with my own eggs? Myth is, people say no, but yes, you can. Always, you can try using your own eggs, you can do embryo pooling and you can get pregnant with your own eggs. Second, PCOS. We see a lot of PCOS patients, they think IVF is the only way. No, not at all. We can try even giving them just a help, just a little bit of push by ovulation induction medicines where the eggs grow and we can tell them to have relation, timed intercourse and they get pregnant. Third, fibroids, wherein we see a lot of patients with fibroid, they say, oh, fibroid has to be removed. Not necessary. Only if they're indenting the endometrial cavity, you need to remove the fibroid. Fourth, endometriosis, wherein you see a lot of chocolate cyst, the ovaries are stuck up together. People say the bad oocyte quality, not always. You can try at least 2 to 3 cycles, get the best embryos and then transfer. Egg freezing, very commonly. Nowadays, you have to go ahead for egg freezing. That is seen in younger age. People think that it's painful and expensive. Not at all. So you can go ahead. It's a just 12 days procedure under anesthesia and not really expensive. It's going to give you pregnancy in your future. So think about it. Unexplained infertility, where patients think everything is fine. My eggs are good. My tubes are open. My husband's count is good. Why should I go ahead with treatment? Myth is like I should keep waiting. No. Go ahead if you do not conceive in 3 years. We need to know what is the oocyte quality. Plan and 2-3 IUIs. If not, go ahead with ICSI, you'll get pregnant. Zero sperm count, wherein people think when this count is 0, I cannot have sperms. How can I get pregnant? We have to do a few basic tests. Go ahead with a small procedure called TISA and you can get pregnant with your own sperms. You can have your own biological child. Bilateral tubes are blocked. When there is a tubal block, people think, oh, the tubes are blocked. There's no way she can get pregnant. The easiest way option is IVF ICSI. And the last but not the least, when onco patients, you hear a lot of onco patients, they think, how will I conceive? I've taken chemotherapy. We have a lot of onco patients referred to us by oncologists, wherein before we start the chemo, we freeze their sperms or we even stimulate and freeze their eggs. They can have their own biological child after they are completely cancer-free. So please think about all of these options and plan your pregnancy. Thank you.